Hello?
Getting some wood. You ready to do this?
Just a minute here. No, I'm not. How's that? Are you waiting for me?
Anytime.
So we've had some questions on the TEAK and what we used when we did our tow rail on our boat. We didn't actually use teak. What we used instead was called kumaru. It also has a common name of Brazilian teak, but it's not actually the same species as teak. Most of the teak that's on boats is an Asian teak, and kumaru is something that's a little different, but it's very, very, very similar. It has a lot of the very same qualities, and it works about the same. Color's about the same. You'll notice the grain on this. It's got the dark and the light, but it's a pretty coarse grain on this, on the side, and then the end grain is like little pokey little needles, and that's very characteristic of regular teak as well. So it actually works well together, but that's not the real reason why we chose kumaru over regular teak. The real reason why is because of cost. I can buy kumaru for $5 a board foot, and teak costs me $25 a board foot. And there's a lot more options available in this for sizing, so that I don't have to buy way too much stuff. So that's the real reason we ended up with this, is because the cost is 1/5 as much, and other than that, it works about the same. We really enjoyed working with it. It wasn't as hard as I thought it was, and it actually looks really good when they're mated together. We'll see you later, but before you go, be sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more of these wonderful Tech Tuesday tips from Todd. Boy, that's a tongue twister. Tech Tuesday tips from Todd. Say that 5 times really fast. Tech Tuesday tips from Todd. I can't do it.